It was the 23rd day of July in the year 2010. A sphere of ice plunged to the earth, 8 inches in diameter. It broke the record for the U.S. world's biggest hailstone and was found in Vivian, South Dakota.
To put that into some perspective, say I'm just up here hanging out in the clouds and decided to pop my head off and just let it drop. Hail's formed out of supercell thunderstorms. A lot of those have updrafts of 50 to 100 miles per hour. Now, after those hailstones grow, they have to fall somewhere, and the terminal speed of these hailstones is anywhere from 30 to 75 miles per hour.